Upgrading your bike's comfort and fit can be as simple as installing a stem raiser. This small but impactful adjustment can elevate your handlebars, providing a more upright and relaxed riding position, perfect for long rides or reducing strain on your back and wrists. Be aware that when fitting the stem raiser, the cables might not be long enough to accommodate these adjustments. The best approach is to use a trial and error method. If you discover during the process that the gear or brake cables are too short, you'll need to replace them. I've included links to helpful tutorials in the description below this video. What is a stem raiser? As the name suggests, its job is to raise the bars. Its advantage as a one-piece structure is that it is stronger and more rigid than its adjustable counterpart. The stem raiser consists of the main body, spacers, top cap, and a long top cap bolt. Fitting the stem raiser. To install a stem raiser, you'll need a few basic tools. Allen keys, typically 4, 5 or 6mm in size. A velcro strap or a cable tie to secure the handlebars to the frame during the process. Start by standing in front of your bike and holding the front wheel securely between your legs. Remove the top cap and set it aside. Next, detach the stem along with the handlebars and secure them to the frame to keep them out of the way. Leave any spaces on the steerer tube. Install the stem raiser onto the steerer tube along with the spaces, but don't tighten it just yet. Reattach the stem on top of the raiser. If any cables stop the stem from going into the raiser, then don't force it. Fit the top cap and tighten the long top cap bolt, but not too much, as this may damage the headset bearings. Check that the handlebars move smoothly and that there is no play in the headset. If you still notice play, then tighten the top cap bolt slightly more. Align the stem raiser with the front wheel and securely tighten the bolts in sequence. If you have a torque wrench, set it to the recommended torque level. If not, ensure the bolts are securely tightened. Next, align the handlebars with the front wheel and tighten the stem bolts sequentially. Take the bike for a test ride. If the handlebars feel to extend, then adjust them by repositioning the spaces on the stem raiser. Thanks for watching. Let me know in the comments if the information of this video was helpful and how you got on replacing your stem with a stem raiser. I really appreciate your support in growing this channel. Thank you for the subscriptions, likes, comments, and for sharing my video with others. If you'd like to support the channel further, you can become a member for some great perks and to help the channel grow. Just click the Become a Member icon on the screen to learn more. Cheers, and I see you very soon.